To see messages on Messenger without being seen. Welcome back to a new video of how to guide everyone. If you're also trying to view the message that you received but you don't want the other person to know that you viewed the messages, then in this video I'm going to show you a way that you can do this. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching it until the end, and let's get right into it. First, let's open up Messenger, and then from here tap on the three lines that you see on the top left. From here tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now if you scroll down under preferences, you need to head over to privacy and safety, and under who can reach you, you can tap on restricted accounts. Through this section, if you tap on learn how restrict works, you can see these are the features and these are some of the things that will happen once you restrict someone on Messenger. So firstly, you will see less of them. It removes a conversation from your chat list, so you won't get any notifications from them. Secondly, the person won't be able to see that you've read their messages. So this is the important one and the topic of today's video. And they won't also be able to see your active status. So if you tap on OK to restrict someone, you can tap on the human icon on the top right and then choose the person that you're trying to restrict. Once you tap on the person, that person will be immediately restricted. Now once that is done, you can now tap open the names or their chats like this, and you can now view all of the messages that they've sent. But however, because you restricted them, they won't be able to see that you viewed their messages. As you can see on the bottom, it says again, they can see when you're online or when you read their messages. So that's how easily you can see messages on Messenger without being seen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.